Hey there, internets. So I had a very bad thing happen inside my NAS server, or my storage backup server that I've got in the other room over there that you've kind of seen in other videos. In that I'm running non-ECC memory with an i7 6700K and a whole bunch of drives, and some of those drives are 2 SSDs. And I've read in forums that having non-ECC memory, you can potentially lose your data. Well, that happened. Or at least I'm pretty sure that happened, because randomly the file system on my 2 SSDs that I've got rated together got corrupted, and I had to nuke it and I lost all the data on those drives. So I had to rebuild that. Fortunately, that wasn't the drives that hold most of my data, so that scared the crap out of me, and now I need to rebuild my system so it has ECC memory. So this is what I'm going to be doing in this video. So I've got an S99 Type C motherboard, 32 gigs of ECC DDR4 memory. See the 2 sticks there. One Xeon, what did I buy? An E5 2603 V4. So there was a couple options that I could do. There was options where I could run with a Pentium, which would have worked just fine. But the motherboards seemed like they were going out and they weren't going to be supported anymore. And I know X99 is kind of on its way out, but there is a much broader market of motherboards and parts for X99 since it was a much bigger chipset. And fortunately for me, it can actually hold Xeon chips, so that's why I ran with this. Now that you know what I'm doing, let's go ahead and build this and get it inside the server. Well, that's all installed now, and I've got to say I am super impressed. I had a few little hiccups on actually getting everything set up in like the BIOS and whatnot, because there's no integrated video card with that processor, which was what I was using previously with the 6700K that was in that server. So I had to go pull one of my small video cards, put that in, put in another power cable to power the video card. But once I did, I was able to adjust the BIOS to the settings that it needed to be at. Once I did that, it got it back into FreeNAS like nothing had ever changed. It was just kind of like, what's going on? And I'm just like, aren't you gonna give me some kind of error or some kind of notification that hardware changed? But nope, it read the memory and the processor just fine. Everything's running as it should, and I haven't had any problems since. So mission successful. So I'm really glad I did it. I no longer have to worry about any of my data being lost due to corrupted memory or evil memory going bad. So I hope you liked this video. If you did, go ahead and give it a like below. If you want to subscribe to my channel, hit the subscribe button down below. I really appreciate all my subscribers. They really help my channel grow, and I'll see you next time, guys. Yeah.